In this lesson, we will see what is the differences between white hat SEO, black hat SEO and grey hat SEO. In SEO, there is no fixed set of methods for ranking. SEO strategies can range from ethical tactics to unethical practices. As a result, SEO also classified into three different categories. These are known as black hat SEO, grey hat SEO, and white hat SEO. First, let's take a look into what is black hat SEO. Black hat SEO refers to the practice of using unethical methods to trick search engines into improving your SERP ranking positions. This goes completely against Google search engine guidelines, and most of its search algorithm updates goal is to prevent this. People still use this because it works lot in short term but likely to fail in long run. Some of the major black hat SEO techniques include hacking website for link, hidden link injection, keyword stuffing, cloaking pages to show different pages to search engine or and users, hidden and doorway pages, duplicate and copying other people content, block comment spam, and lot more. A few examples where black hat SEO is commonly used include casino, adult industry, sneakers, low niches, where even ranking for a short amount of time could mean a lot of profits. Although not every black hat SEO method is illegal, some of these methods are illegal under the law and could cause serious harm to your website, business, and reputation. White hat SEO. White hat SEO refers to the practice of using completely ethical methods to improve SERP rankings. In this strategy, you mainly focus use on user experience and do what Google encourages you to do. Some of the white hat methods include schema and structure data optimization, relevant SEO marketing outreach, on page SEO optimization, content optimization and copywriting, brand awareness building, user intent focused keyword research, and more. This is one of the most safest SEO approach which protects your website in the long run too. Grey hat SEO. Grey hat SEO refers to of using semi-ethical methods to improve SERP rankings. It is like an hybrid between black hat SEO and white hat SEO. Different people will have various definition and strategy which they consider as grey hat SEO. Some of the grey hat SEO techniques include buying high-powered expired domain, paid links outreach, automated backlink creation. These grey hat strategies still haven't been announced as bad practices completely yet by search engine, but we also do know that it's not fully ethical too. So in conclusion, SEO strategies can keep on changing along with your SEO type classification. A grey hat SEO method can easily change into a black hat SEO method tomorrow. So don't spend too much time worrying about the classification. I advise you to focus on ethical strategies if you want to do safe SEO and protect your website or web protective properties in future also from SEO algorithm. So any SEO process you do, always have a logical mindset, and before doing any major change, always ask yourself whether this is fully ethical and will I be safe from even future algorithm updates or not.